Muskogee Nation right now is going through a big change. As big a change as our removal from our native lands in Alabama. The Dawes Commission has been going among the nation, telling the Muskogees that if they accept allotment, you, your wife, your husband, your children will each get 160 acres somewhere in the nation. No gofti. Maratsi hizayat. Marahi litos. Wazarat. Hofanezin. Idan. Astonskis. Dan ahlichanga.
Ofunusikat. Zatogi. Idawa. Alet. Ues. Salakagi. Idawan. Alimakayang.
No gofti. Hokti nisijipit. Fikfuneyet legit. Jalitkiui ahliskat. Wegitsko.
Salaki. Hokti sijayon. Matisijahanen. Uudaktuel. Oktis. Simanat. Kusida wibit. Kusida wibit.
Marahilitos. Muga nakstoon. Saarichanga.
Oskida netta. Azumatta himsayachi kuton. Maskuka gidoa. Malmatta he. Mal asakkoze kima hidois.
Poskida ofatsadat. Istio malgaon. Yan seji vidois.
Nagin. Storm atsige hislagin. Atsit. Wistonska. Ihitsa.
Ja wajinat alaga hanidon don. Man mi haktues. Dawes Commission. Sabalak tuangs. Imadut kakahanen.
Igen waski ofatsalokta.
Nagumalgat. Igen waski ufatsados.
Naksto mahanet.
Unakan. Imidotal huizakahandoes.
Kamuzi. Kishaga. Masulubi balat. Dawes Commission. Sukasat kamahukat. Abawusit. Sadakatito. Sulgat. Sadakatito. Wes. Sulgus bahat. Igen waski. Yadagi gari do se.
Istio malgaon. Naksto ino hagitles a giruat. Gitles. Mues. Majoga. Nago hotsat. Istio malgat. Gitla gidoin. Och sarigi go mongen. Man andat. Man zayatstos.
Was in okiskesi. Sen hi adat. Manoksa. Sen adat. Itsa. Mari.
Maraftois.
Ja hije. Siellä ei siis kiskontues.
Maro no gofti. Ofunni hadigat. Ambo gibidos. Spooky des, mokke zedi, tahusibiga. Mado,
Opana easy good. Avance kushit mummy jash. Harido. She jahe.
ga.
Are you the interpreter my office engaged?
If you mean hired, yes, sir, I'm the interpreter.
What is your name?
Delamasi Scott.
Good. You're the one. My name is Philip Hopkins. I'm an agent for the Dawes Commission. You may get in now. Mr. Scott, you tell me the best way to the Harjo farm? Mr. Scott, did you hear what I said?
Straight ahead.
Mr. Scott, do you know the Harjo family?
Yes, sir, I do.
How well do you know them?
I've been to their house many times.
Excellent. What can you tell me about this Suki Harjo? Apparently she's running the farm. Where's the husband?
Her husband died last winter when that pneumonia was going around.
I remember. That was a terrible time for everyone.
She also lost her daughter and her daughter's husband at the same time.
I am sorry to hear that. Truly, I am. Anytime you lose a family, it's always hard.
So now Suki is raising her granddaughter, Kogi, and taking care of her 90-year-old mother, Mamoja.
Did you say 90 years old?
Yes, sir, 90. That old lady can sure be cranky sometimes. But then I think she has a right to be. She came over on the removal from Alabama, you know.
We'll stop at the Harjos first.
Yes, sir. We're on Suki Harjo's property now. Those men you see, they work for Suki. They're clearing this bottom land. She wants to plant more corn.
Just how big is her property?
Wotko started with 20 acres. Then after he died, she approached the nation for 20 more acres.
Being a woman, I bet they refused her.
They gave her 40 acres.
How much further is it?
Ja otlol viiposkira kuki hoktak panga panahanat. Ja maka saamelska. Sake. Nakmakto kayat puhetska. Kuki hoktak panga.
Heila, Mamoja. Tibo has.
Oh. Lisa Hanska.
Hadi manituska, kislagudos.
Otlol viu ostabak haktunga. Chimio Muusitskin chivakasahmen. Pankarat. Alejijitskadidos.
Kiislees, sä hossigos. Hoktak pangadat a zaagidundos.
Anio. Ipaksangires on samoitos. Manetta Alabama alayat. Hova. Panka. Hade jeans kosi panayat. Amistalgedin apatskagit oimat. Mas hofonekon osolvi hujaneppen. Istio malkat ipodolo hohjet. Igana iran ipodov hogaridos. Imakasa metskin panebekas.
Ja ohlolla puskeranetta hoktak panga obana hes. Jeksin sima heja tas tagaja ma china oslejedos. Puja woko ma lojasen ha hechangi shabana hanados. Hechas senda hoyas mon emaba hechas. Marapaja. Chathki Shivanagirama, Shivanagachkiriman, Shivanagashlesh, Shivanagachkinoa, and Shivanachkaji doing much. Chachki Chindakfoa, Shimanahajadoatlish. Bojishogi Harijichkaji Nita Panga Chinhayadet. Chajajman Emaflesh and Harijesh Shobanahana. Chinchaboyagos.
Nakst du mooi na Zidunska. So rova mama uja shafki hayat. Imagiriza hanskadi.
Hilustos.
Mamoja Boji ahoy Victor Homa Ohombira Dakoisla Lagake Chahijaks.
Adisake. Naget kukipan hutskujahan donuat. Hijagits.
Ako zurnos es fikon na rezondos.
Hukti. Hijamakwan samaritski ha.
Indes Ojbeidos.
Hiji jayada handos.
Indes Hiji Adikibidos. Nakmagi gat Isla Legas.
Imadat jimasoswa. Istufangi hagitos.
Istena hagitundos.
Hogaste. Eston Agislejashka. Loja Shobaneyan. Hoktak Panga Emridaga Day.
Matsi mat hilostos kogi. Mat hilostos. Hoktak pangadat. Simiridagitos.
Boji dash dagirides. They waited come here.
Mamoja. Ididaios en dastagitskes. Mamoja stoin a gitles no atlim gitlas.
Loja Shobanea. He thought those contkesa.
Hele mahen medstonskis hokti. Vonnange chimajolga mahayo. Alabama alayat manazigit lejebejitskes.
Loja Shobanetsky doing Mari Hari Chirutkozov.
Respondat. Lucha harpe sobaniko demats. Mojanita sobanakaron.
Loja Dogon.
Mongodoimat.
Loja tongo noa nagin Shobanechki Mari.
Of one of that. It's your Laksan oimat.
Ejo Laksa.
It's your Laksan. In Hagi Hill, Hosidamat.
Boji Gitlitska Mamo Chacha Laksha is Bonadi.
Pumazulalgi mat maga di dos. Mamoja, azishuf boya gits. Bushki da ulad, abashki boyats noat.
Abaski, Bushkira is like a moment iski ha.
Hidzierlis.
Hopti, Jogonti Ed. Osafkinta Hijas. Had Hedkias of Lechese.
Hanyo what there's Tagi Bidosh.
Emarar. Savkis Getskesa.
Ihi Stora.
So Gogi.
He's no, Githrongar Iskarosh, or then he did it.
Kogi. Don't do that.
I'm an Ajax. I'm an Ajax.
Estela Dua.
Is there my lakkozin zalis kuzidoad? Kihlagodos. Delamasi yomiondos. Momen. Hey, what's in a dos?
What's in that?
Wajana Nagin is done in Wajana here and I like it.
Fully hack no what. I'll get Heligodoidos.
Nagin gont wolakto no what? Kihlagits. Kogi, wankagides wolakto edis. Shafkin vizadish. Ma lodzai saudoas. Imga not dovan fish hiledzes. Dalamasi, istungo, adziwik doris pogi zihizadi, stunge joa, zimistalgi mo stungon fulla.
Not Malgat, is to Malgat, is to Malgigazos. Mons in the Mamoja, Jistungo, so
Next on my was in a Salaktonska.
Aijibak wa Laka. Hijin, is Chimaredo West.
Oh, Matsi. And Bogi Bahanos it always. Matsi.
Next on ya was in Anzogosha Laktunska.
Chindon. Jimistelgi Mal Gatskan. Simbonegi and Yazirastos.
Nagin obonaidza hanit.
Kanwaski. Dawes Commission. I Mr. Jagorundos.
Hey, ma kanwaski ge honzat. Zayatsi godos ge zet mestelgi monayak doyangs. Munga, yanago malga nagit si mabagiri delamasi.
Obonagan. Ijimiro tal hujidan Zayazit. Abort doyangs.
Next on mitsanga.
Yeesti nachtsi monaya hanad. Omalgan in Giliskin. Nagin. Ijidimi Huskigon. Zayatstos.
My name is Philip Hopkins. I'm here to talk to you all today about something be a great benefit to this family.
Nagin makdora.
Jindon Jimistel Gumal Gaskat Nak. Jinlo Bezok Hanan. Ijin bunaidan going it, Astos.
Should I shake hands with the family?
Mr. Hopkins, that would be the courteous thing to do. This is Mrs. Suki Harjo.
Mrs. Harjo. It's a pleasure.
And this is Mrs. Harjo's mother, Ma Moja.
It's a privilege to meet you, what's her name again?
Ma Moja. She came over on the Trail of Tears, you know.
She did. It's a privilege and an honor to be in the presence of such a distinguished person as yourself. I've heard that little journey from Alabama was sometimes difficult and won't be soon forgotten.
Ma Alabama azodiskiduji, aditskadi, si hossigoedis, si get stocks.
Manini makat. Stubotwa, stivet kiraruimatsi. Putot poloswa, palatkin. Alabama associatido.
What's she saying?
She's saying that she will never forget that little journey.
Good for you, Mamoja.
Ja, Jana Boga geht's.
Mrs. Harjo wants us to sit. And this is Mrs. Harjo's granddaughter, Kogi.
Why, she reminds me of my little Charlotte back in New York. Hello, Kogi. What is that?
That, Mr. Hopkins, is Sofki.
Sofki?
It's a corn drink.
Thank you, Kogi, but I'm not very thirsty.
Mr. Hopkins, it's considered rude to refuse Sofki when it is offered to you.
In that case, Kogi, I would love some Sofki. Oh, thank you, Kogi. I don't believe I've ever had a drink like that.
Mr. Hopkins, you must drink all of it.
All of it?
If you want their goodwill.
Tasty. Thank you.
Telemashi yats noad, ejim balash.
Maro, Kogi, lima hidos.
Mapuna ka nak pun lopez lanan. Lapkin alezi zagits. Mamoja di bagiat. Abashkin haduish.
Mrs. Harjo is anxious to get started.
Good. So am I. Tell Mrs. Harjo that, as an agent for the Dawes Commission, I speak on behalf of the United States government.
Dawes Commission. Mr. Jago Rondon. In Zaklagan, Upachan, Puneja Handoks.
The General Allotment Act of 1887 authorizes me to enroll you, Mrs. Harjo, your mother, Mamo Ja, even your little granddaughter, Kogi, for the purpose of allotting each of you 160 acres of land.
Jindon, Mamoja, Kogi Uwatskat, Chihuzi Fogan, Dokalidan Gon, Astos, Mowov, Egan Satki, Chokpi Hamgin, Bali E Bargain, Zin Hiskakalis, Maktoks.
Ask Mrs. Harjo if she understands everything so far.
Nakomalgan Ponage Stogat, in Gislitskinoga. She understands everything.
Good. Now, according to this 1900 census, your name is Suki Harjo, you are a Creek Indian, and your post office is Arbika Indian Territory. Is that correct?
Chihozifkat, Suki Harjo Doin, Moscow Galgi Doinskin, Zinjoga Hodi, Arbika, Madondos, Matayaktawa. All that is correct.
Good. Now tell Mrs. Harjo that I'll fill in this card with the information from the census, along with the name of her mother and father. Then I will stamp it. And that will be proof that she's a Creek Indian. Your roll number will be 6239.
Chihozifkaron, Chitski, Hozifagamo, Mazogadatskuzin, Imohots Nuat. Iskilka, Yanohwit, so Nafkinuat, Ahangatka, Ibagit, Totsinit, Okolit, Ostabagit, Watis, Maktoks.
Moen Stohanet.
Moov, Moscow Galgiduatskalis.
Wat zo gaat het goed zien, die Moskou gedoord, Amonaya Hanisik.
What are they laughing about?
They're laughing because Suki says she doesn't need one of those cards to prove she's Creek Indian.
I know she's a Creek Indian, but these are the rules the Dawes Commission has set up, and I must abide by them. Now, Mrs. Harjo, this is a very important document. Very important. It's a certificate of allotment. Listen to what it says. This certifies that you, Suki Harjo, this day filed your selection of the following described land containing 160 acres or...
Daibis, maar was ik naar het kimonajas? Je zorgt dat ze die zeearts nu had. Animaal het. Toslet. Vlees aanlees.
Mr. Hopkins, are you all right?
Suki? May I call you Suki? Mama Ja? Little Kogi? How do I make you all understand this? All I want for you is a better life. Better than what you have. But that will only come about when you all accept allotment.
Kanwatki Malgaskat, Puzasaskinuat, Yelegida, Sinhilin Ozaskalis, Maktoks.
Je nagoziat. Nakstoidi.
They want to know what's wrong with what they have here now.
This place is all right. But you've gone just about as far as you can go. You can't do better because you don't own this land.
Ya igana chinagidogo. Nak sinhilad, hahichigos, Maktoks.
You'll never do better. None of you ever will as long as you live under this system of owning land in common.
Ja isti malga igana pujazagia habogat. Jimo ohlegitskia digat. Naxin hilat. Hahichigos makdok.
Under this system, there's no incentive for you to make your home better than your neighbor's.
Hayui nak moagat. Sinjoko, Timawaleja injoko, Sin hilin haida des. Jiazagikudos.
When you own your own land, it gives you pride, makes you productive, self-sufficient. Why, there's no end to what you could all accomplish.
Imunayash, nak magat, mabuhedzet, leget. All this talk about our system of owning land in common, the Dawes Commission has made it sound bad, that it's not good for the Indian, that it holds him back. All I know is, under our system, there's not a family in the whole nation that does not own a home of its own. There's no poverty here. The nation builds its own schools and hospitals. I call that accomplishment.
But don't you ever want more?
I have horses, cows, pigs, chickens. I work about 60 acres. If I want more land, all I have to do is ask for it. And I don't owe a dollar to anyone. I have all that I want.
Mr. Scott, please poll the members of this family one last time to see if any of them will take allotment.
Yes, sir. Suki. Ganwaski puzaza hanskinoga.
Muhuigos.
Mamoja. Ganwaski puzaza hanskinoga.
Anu, Monkos.
Kogi Chinda. Ganwaski puzaza hanskinoga.
Mohkos.
Mr. Hopkins, I believe the Harjo family is not going to accept allotment.
Mr. Scott, as an agent for the Dawes Commission and speaking on behalf of the United States government, it is my duty to inform the members of the Harjo family that after all efforts to persuade each family member to accept allotment have been exhausted, each family member will be compelled to take an allotment. Should they refuse, an arbitrary allotment will be assigned to each and every family member. Tell them I'll be waiting in the buggy.
Yes, sir. Dawes Commission. Imisaja Gorundawega. In Taklago Fatson. Punado West. Hobai to Wes a lagit. Nakchimunayagiran, Sayas to Wezen. Jiazagiguk. Hayua next to a handoyat, Zagitligodos. It has been 5 years since the day Agent Hopkins tried to convince the Harjo family to accept allotment. But in the end, allotment came to all Muskogees, and they became individual owners of land. Right after that, swindlers and grafters from all over flocked in to rob and cheat the many Muskogees who had no business experience. For a few dollars, they would put their mark on a piece of paper and sign away their 160 acres. Now they are homeless and destitute. The Muskogee Nation right now is going through dark times. But you know, we went through dark times before. We went through dark times after we were removed from our native lands in Alabama. We went through dark times after the Civil War, but we always rebuild. And we will rebuild again, better and stronger than before, because that is the Muskogee way.